Volleyball.
The volleyball. Ready, go. Soccer ball. A soccer ball.
Soccer ball.
Soccer ball. Which ball do you want to do now?
Basketball.
Oh, of course.
Oh, man. It's like you.
Yeah, that was awesome.
Volleyball.
The volleyball. Ready, go.
I missed one.
There you go.
Yes. Second.
Okay.
11. Please.
So we did the volleyball, the soccer ball, the basketball. What ball next?
Next.
The bowling ball. Wow, okay. We're going to actually use the bowling ball for some bowling.
Second.
Try it again.
Oh, so gross.
Ow,
Oh no.
So we did the bowling ball, the soccer ball, the basketball, the volleyball. What other ball are we going to do?
No. A big one.
Ooh, show me that ball. What is that?
Football.
A football. That
Yeah.
might be a little weird. Ooh, oh.
Yeah. Try again.
Hey, all right, our last ball, okay? Which one are you going to pick? The baby basketball?
Yes. And then the opponent? No, fix no.
Get one more.
A basketball is dead.
Yeah, that big one's going to be really, really good.